Good evening and welcome to Courts Today by Livelaw. This is your host Shambhavi Srivastav, bringing you the latest updates on the legal front. This is your go-to source for all things legal. Let us start. The Haryana government has filed a special leave petition in the Supreme Court of India challenging the Punjab and Haryana High Court's decision to conduct a judicial inquiry into the death of a 21-year-old farmer during protest. The High Court had formed a committee to investigate the matter, citing concerns about impartiality if the matter was handled by either state. The court also questioned the type of force used by police and criticized the delays in filing the FIR. The bench also questioned the Haryana government on what kind of bullets and pellets were being used on protesters by Haryana police and asked them to give details on the same. Perusing the affidavit filed by the states, the court said that the death was apparently a case of excess police force. It also pulled up the Punjab police for delay in lodging an FIR on the death of the protester, as the incident took place on February 21 and the FIR was launched on February 28. The petition filed by the farmer's father in the Punjab and Haryana High Court alleges the use of excessive force and demands transparency regarding the weapons used. It criticizes the lack of objection from Punjab authorities despite incidents occurring within their jurisdiction. The Supreme Court addressed a plea filed by Sharad Pawar on 12 February 2024, contesting the Election Commission's decision to recognize Ajit Pawar's faction as the official NCP and allocate them the clock symbol. The court asked Ajit Pawar's group not to use Sharad Pawar's name or image in their campaign materials and suggested they choose a different symbol to avoid confusion. Ajit Pawar's representative agreed to file an undertaking regarding this. Additionally, the court suggested the Ajit Pawar faction consider using a different symbol, considering the ongoing legal challenge. The matter will be heard again on Tuesday, March 19th. The background of the dispute involves the ECI's decision based on legislative majority amid a rift within the party and defection allegations. The high-level committee led by former President Ram Nath Kovind submitted an 18,626-page report on One Nation, One Election to President Draupadi Murmu. The report suggests simultaneous elections for Lok Sabha, state legislative assemblies, and local bodies. It recommends synchronizing Lok Sabha and state assembly elections through a proposed amendment and proposes an implementation group for execution. The report also proposes amendments to Article 83 and 172. Additionally, it suggests amendments for simultaneous local body elections and a single electoral roll and single elector's photo identity card. The committee, which deliberated for 191 days, included members such as Home Minister Amit Shah and former leader of opposition in the Rajya Sabha, Ghulam Nabi Azad. The Madhya Pradesh High Court ruled in a case concerning the seniority of sub-engineers that merit should take precedence over age in matters of promotion. The court emphasized that if daily wages are initially ranked by merit, this ranking cannot later be altered solely based on age. The court restored the petitioner's seniority over the private respondent, highlighting that age should only be considered when candidates have equal merit. The court criticized the reliance on a circular that did not apply to the case at hand and instructed authorities to restore the petitioner's seniority and provide retroactive promotion benefits. Additionally, the court pointed out previous cases where merit-based seniority was upheld over age-based determinations. Partner Lease OOD, a European limited liability company from Bulgaria, has approached the Kerala High Court seeking restoration of an amount of Rs 75 crores, which was attached by the Directorate of Enforcement in the year 2017. The ED had confiscated the amount following allegations of fraudulent activity by Trade International, an Indian firm involving forged shipping documents to acquire funds from Zvezda AD, a Bulgarian company. After Zvezda AD's insolvency in 2017, Partner Lease OOD became its successor as per Bulgarian insolvency court orders. Partner Lease OOD contends that the ED previously acknowledged Zvezda AD as a victim of Trade International's fraud, but questioned the legitimacy of Partner Lease OOD's claim only when it sought the restoration of the seized funds. The case is scheduled for further hearing on April 11, 2024. The Orissa High Court has ordered interim compensation of Rs 2 lakh to the mother of a 22-year-old man who died allegedly from falling off a moving train while under police custody. The court observed that despite authorities attributing the incident to negligence on the part of the deceased, foul play couldn't be ruled out. It emphasized that police and prison authorities have a duty of care towards arrested individuals. The deceased was reportedly in a romantic relationship with a minor girl and was pursued by the girl's father and police officials. The court considered the circumstances custodial death and held the authorities responsible, ordering interim compensation while the investigation continues. The Punjab and Haryana High Court has refused to set aside the summoning order against Max Super Specialist Hospital and its cardiologist in a case where a patient died allegedly due to a cheap pacemaker being implanted to maximize profits. The court noted that besides medical negligence, the case appeared to involve cheating. Dr. Sudhir Saxena, despite consent for a higher cost pacemaker, installed a cheaper one, leading to complications. The court rejected the hospital's defense that a superior pacemaker was implanted in 2 stages. It found sufficient evidence for prosecution, ruling that it was more of a case of conspiracy and cheating than medical negligence. If you wish to know more details about the cases I mentioned here, you can visit our website at www.livelaw.in. Stay ahead with quick legal updates only on LiveLaw. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe and support us. You can also support us by donating through the thanks button at the bottom of our videos or consider becoming a member at just 89 rupees per month.